Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video we are going to see the next problem on beta function type 3. So in type 3 the beta function is given by integration of 0 to pi by 2 sine theta the whole raised to m into cos theta the whole raised to n into d theta is equal to half of beta m plus 1 upon 2 comma n plus 1 upon 2. So we have to write our given equation in this form so that we can apply the formula of beta. So this is our question. So if you see, we have to prove that this integration is equivalent to this term. So we will consider this integration. So if you compare these two terms, we want only sine theta raised to something and cos theta raised to something. We do not want 8 theta or 4 theta. So what we are going to do? We are going to substitute these terms. So we substitute 4 theta equal to some other constant whose power is 1. So we put 4 theta equal to t. We can put 8 theta equal to t, but it will make our analysis more difficult. So we put 4 theta equal to t, then theta will be t by 4. After this we will take the differential, we get d theta equal to dt upon 4. Since we are changing the variable, our limits of integration will also get changed. Here we write the initial variable is theta and the new variable is t. Theta is going from 0 to pi by 8. So 0 to pi by 8. When we put theta equal to 0 in this equation, we get t equal to 0. When we put theta equal to pi by 8 in this equation, we get 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So now t is pi by 2. So now if you see, by doing 4 theta equal to t, we get the limits of integration 0 to pi by 2, which is matching with this term. That's why we substitute 4 theta equal to t. So now our new integration will be integration of 0 to pi by 2 sine square 8 theta. 4 theta is t, then 8 theta will be 2t. So we get sine square 2t cos raised to 3 by 2 4 theta is t into d theta is dt upon 4. So we get integration of 0 to pi by 2 sine square 2 theta. What is sine 2 theta? Sine 2 theta is nothing but 2 sine theta into cos theta. So instead of sine 2t, we are going to write 2 sine t into cos t the whole square into cos raised to 3 by 2t dt. 1 upon 4 is constant, so it can be taken out of the integration sign. So we get 1 upon 4 integration of 0 to pi by 2. Here it is this whole term, the whole square. So this will be 2 square sine square t into cos square t. So this 2 square will be taken outside. So we get 2 square sine square t. This cos square t and cos raised to 3 by 2 will get combined. So we get cos 3 by 2 t cos square t, it will be cos of 3 by 2 plus 2, which is 7 by 2 into cos of 7 by 2 t dt. So now if you compare this equation with the function of beta, we get m equal to 2 and we get n equal to 7 by 2. So this whole term is nothing but half beta of m plus 1 upon 2. M is 2, so 2 plus 1 upon 2 is nothing but 3 by 2, comma n plus 1 upon 2. N is 7 by 2, so 7 by 2 plus 1 is nothing but 9 upon 2 upon this 2. And here 2 square will be 4, so this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled, and here we have 1. So our integration I will become half beta of 3 by 2 comma 9 by 4. So if you see, this term is matching with right hand side, so left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. So this is how we solve the problem on beta function type 3. More such problems we will see in our next video, so stay tuned for our future lectures.